Hi. My name is John Luis. Today we will talk about stock market for beginners. I will explain the next things: what is a stock, how does it work, what is an IPO, how to buy a stock. Please subscribe to my channel. Your support is so important to me. Sign up below to my ebook for free. And get 30 habits to have financial freedom. So, what is the stock market and how can it be beneficial for you? If you invested on Nvidia 1 year ago, you would make 61% on your money. $10,000 would be $16,100 to your pocket. If you invested on Tesla 5 years ago, you would make 91% on your money. $10,000 would be $19,100 to your bank account. If you invested money on Roku 1 year ago, you could make 323% on your money. $10,000 would be over $30,000, you could buy new Tesla. Well, you get the idea. Stocks market is great place to make money on a passive way. Now let's talk a bit about it. In simple explanation, stock market is a way to invest money on other companies and make money once their price goes up. For example, these companies are public and you can buy part of them, this part called share or stock. A share or a stock is portion of company's capital. For example, the more shares you have, the more percentages you own from the company. If the price goes up, you make money once you sell. If the price goes down, you can wait or sell and lose some money. Time and patience are the keys to make money on a passive way. Here you can see more examples of public companies. Know that, not all the companies are public, that means you will not be able to buy their shares. You probably ask yourself, why would a company go public? Going public refers to a private company's initial public offering, IPO, thus becoming a publicly traded and owned entity. The main reason companies decide to go public, however, is to raise money, a lot of money, and spread the risk of ownership among a large group of shareholders. So, how can we know what companies are public? If a company is traded on the stock exchange, it is public. Stock exchange is the place where people buy or sell their stocks. There are many available platforms to do it on an easy way. There are 16 stock exchanges. You use the one that suits your country. The stock exchange works Monday till Friday. From the morning till the afternoon, depends on your time zone. You can buy or sell stocks only once the stock exchange is open. If you want to sell or buy a stock once the market is closed, the price might change from what you see. It can be less or higher, but you still have the option to buy or sell it once the market is open again and gets the new price. Who decides the price? We. Supply and demand. And of course the price and revenues of the company you are willing to buy. Now let's talk about ways to buy stocks. One of the ways is your bank. You can always buy shares via your bank. Just ask your bank how you do it, they will show you easy way to buy or sell stocks online from the bank's website or app. Remember, each bank has its own fees and they usually very high. The best way to buy shares is via trading platform. A trading platform is a company that is connected to the stock exchange and lets you invest in stocks. These platforms called brokers. Each broker has its own fees and benefits. Today we will talk about two of the most recommended platforms. The first one, Robinhood. The second one, Interactive Brokers. You can find links to sign up on the description below. The first one is Robinhood. This platform is the best one if you are new. It has no fees, nobody calls you, and it is very friendly and easy to use. As you can see here, it's very user-friendly. All you need to do is sign up, confirm your email, add your bank account and start trading. Here you can see Interactive Brokers. This is another recommended platform. The platform is a bit more complicated, but you will get a call from a broker. This platform has fees and a bit more professional. And still, if you are willing to learn, it is a great place since you have someone to speak to. If you are willing to see more numbers and look at some charts for free, you can use koyfin.com. I hope that now you understand a bit more about the financial market and the stocks market. On the next video we will talk about dividends. which is another way to make money from stocks without being dependent on the stock's price. What is a dividend and how to make money from it? Do not forget to subscribe, like this video and comment whatever questions you have. See you on the next video.